Alright, so I am here with another tool unboxing. I got some PB Swiss tools in today and thought I'd go through what I got. Just a couple items here. The problem with PB Swiss, and I know that some items were back ordered on this. This is the first time I've ordered from the Tool Lady. There's only two places I've found to get PB Swiss items, and that's Count On Tools, which is who I've ordered from in the past, and also the Tool Lady, which I just discovered recently. So like I said with the PB Swiss, and I don't know if it's partially because of COVID or what, but they tend to not get shipments that often, or like once a month or something, and things get back ordered. And so like I'm still waiting on some things I ordered in November. It's currently late January and still waiting on those items. So but we'll open these up and see what we've got here. So, this is a tool roll. I've not really had tool rolls before, so I thought I'd try this one and kind of see how I like it. So it comes with a handle. This one also came with a couple small flathead or slotted drivers. And the thing with PB Swiss is just their machining and quality is excellent. All of their tools have serial numbers on them. I'm not sure. Doesn't look like it'll focus. Maybe we'll get a longer blade here. See if you can see the serial numbers on there. The knurling on these seems really nice. Fits in there nice and snug. Pretty light, really. So this comes with a slotted number 2, 3, 4, and 5. It also has, it looks like an awl, which that's nice. And then we have a Phillips number 1 and a Phillips number 2. Be interesting. I'll check the fit on these if it's any better than their standard Phillips that I checked the other day. Let's see, I still have it here. So this one, you can tell they're not very bad on this drywall screw. Pretty good on that one as well. Does seem like it has a little bit better of a fit. That one's a little loose than their standard driver. There are some extra slots in here as well to put other bits in. Let's see what came in this bag. I don't have any PB Swiss bits, and so I decided to buy some. So these are slotted. So I've got a slotted 5.5, 4.0, and a 6. Kind of thought this may be good for caps on gas valves, being a little bit larger, so I'll have to try that out. I also got a PB Swiss bit holder just to try the quality on it. Not exactly sure how this works. So it turns. You can turn it either direction and it'll lock the bit in place, and then put it in the center and it releases it. So that's interesting compared to other bit holders. Let's see, what else did I get? And this is a slotted 4mm, so it's comparable to this one, only a longer version. What's kind of neat with the PB Swiss is they anodize and color their different bits, so all their slotted bits, I believe, are this color. I also got some hex sizes. So this one looks like a 1/4 inch. Yep, a 1/4 inch, and I got a 3/32, which these are good for the Gemini style gas valves. Let's assume, yeah, so C6 style bits lock into this as well. And the E6 is what this profile is called. So those lock in there too. What else? So then just a standard bit holder here. PB Swiss uses some super strong magnets in their stuff. I mean, it's crazy how strong they are, and hard to come across on camera. But that's a super nice bit extension. And then I also got another blade for this, so that I can use any standard bit in that. And their machining quality is just amazing on this stuff. This one doesn't come with the knurled part of the handle. I did order a longer one as well. That was one of the items that was back ordered. You can see that fits in there real nice. It's not this one's is magnetic, but doesn't seem to be quite as strong as some of their other ones. So anyway, pleased with this purchase. It'll be interesting to get these in the tool pouch as well. and see how they work. I got a couple extra slots there for more bits when they come in, and then this wraps up into a nice little case there. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe.